Hey, this is Robert. Welcome back. And here are the 3 top things that you should never write on the whiteboard. Number 1, seems pretty obvious, but don't put any profanity up there or foul jokes or anything that's lewd, any pictures. Some people think that that's funny that they do these things, but then they put it up on the board that everybody else can see them, specifically if you have glass windows in a room. Don't want to do that. Number 2, putting anything up there as personal information that would damage somebody's reputation or that they would be embarrassed about. So you might want to check first or not even do it at all and let them volunteer that information if they're going to put something up there like phone numbers or addresses, how much they weigh, or their birthday, their marital status, you name it. And then last, this is the most important one. Be sure that you're fully aware of what is confidential information in your organization. There might be something very specific around trade secrets, specifically if you're doing programming or technologies or any kind of trade secrets that are going up on the whiteboard. You want to have a private room, meaning no windows. Also, if there are windows, you're going to have to check with everybody first. Should we be writing this on the wall? And then finally, be sure to erase your board when you're done. All right. Be sure to go to palspens.com and put your email in so we can send you more of these videos. These are for free. They're for fun. I hope you're getting something out of them as a leader, as a presenter. And then also go to our YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe and like these videos. We'd love to hear from your feedback as well. Okay,